Hey there guys, it is me, Flashy Skeleton, back with Star Wars The Old Republic Smuggler. We are going to a volcano. Yes. To the volcano of death. And walking in this game is slow, I forgot.
Take a look at the stock. What can I get you?
Is this useful now? About this. It isn't, but it also is. Get rid of that, gives me some nice credits. Get rid of that and that. Alrighty. Ready for inventory
Appreciate your
space.
business. Best prices this side of the galaxy. You check.
Hey, look at him wave like that. That's weird. Hi. I'm trying stuff. How you guys doing? I'm doing great.
How many you get today?
4. How about you?
Just 3, but the day isn't over yet. I'll win that prize from Gizmel. Wait and see.
Prizes for bagging the most seps, not the most excuses.
Wait and see, my friend. Wait and see.
Alright, what's the price, like 30 credits or something? I mean, seems to happen with you.
Mechanized travel is for official business only.
Stuff, I don't know. So, we are going to a volcano. It's not active, but it has a base in it, as you can see. Gotta find my ship, secure landing zone, and witness protection. Oh yeah, he's the pirate, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, pirate.
You're all right.
Sorry about that, I had to sneeze.
Captain Zuss sends you? Huh. I was expecting someone a little more official. Hope that blaster's not just for show. We got the SEP stronghold in our sights. Orders are to secure a landing pad and establish a secondary insertion point for the assault. I need you to shut down the security fields around the landing pad, and then disable the defense guns so our troop shuttles can land. Can you handle it?
Easy.
A few security systems, a few guns. What's there to handle?
I got an uneasy feeling. The Separatists shouldn't have been able to hold out this long. I'll radio the shuttle so they're ready to move in the second you get the landing pad clear. Report back to the captain when you're done.
The Empire's totally not involved, that's for sure. Wink, wink. I want to fire. Boom. Yeah. Commentary's gonna be weak today. Hooray. Alrighty, let's just continue going up the trail and walk in silence, I guess. Ooh. Bonuses are fun, but they take so long, especially when there's 50 of them. Alright, hey you. Where'd you come from? Yeah. Eat grenade. Just eat it. There we go, there we go. Hell yeah. Hey, no loot. That's not fair. I want loot. Give me the loot. I want the loot. Give me the loot. Hey, the volcano is about to erupt. Alright, this guy gives me loot. Oh. Thank you for the free stuff. It's greatly appreciated.
Look at the size of this place. Where'd the Seps get the money to build something like this?
It's totally not the Empire. I promise.
Better?
I know it's not the Empire. What's going on? Why aren't you moving? I don't like this. Lag. Hey, they're dead. Die, you separatist fiend. Yeah. Ah, there's more of them. There's that one. Why not this one? There you go. Yeah. Ooh, a green one. We had a purple. Wow, that's rare. Oh. Okay, we'll give him that. And won't give him that. Here, have a knife.
This is great. Thanks, Captain.
Yeah, that would 20 credits. See what this does. Oh! I do get below the belt. Wait, what? Oh. I mean... I thought that was... No, it's Dirty Kick that I want. Yeah, Dirty Kick's funny. Where am I going? I don't even know anymore. First things first, we gotta go up here and get that, and then... I don't know. I'm lost. I know we gotta go get this thing over here for... I don't know. Oh. For the securing the landing zone. Come, Corso. We must go on an adventure. Blind the droid. Hey, it worked. Who would have thought it would actually would have worked? We don't go that way. We go. Blow them up. Blow them up. And they're dead. Blow them up. Blow. Hey, it's no player. You are level 16, you show off. Do I go this way? Where am I going? I don't know anymore. Oh, I go this way. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Go in the volcano. Yeah. Yeah, they're dead now. Hurrah. Die, you droid. Oh, it's the same one. Where do we... Ha! I'm very good at directions. Quick, let's get the free shit first. Elevator. Come to me, friend. Oh, thank you. Come on, a little bit faster. Make haste. Why don't you? Come on. Go up. There we go. Who's the good elevator? Corso, what are you doing? Corso, no! Yes, okay, guys. Want my shit?
Stand by for examination and suggested products.
No influence. Get rid of that. Fantastic. More credits for us. Hey, dude. You okay? Hey, don't like leave some killing for me. Come on. All right, keep going forward. Then we turn that way, and then we're right there. And then go there. And there's dead people everywhere. It's like a murder's happened or something. There's no such thing as murder in Star Wars. Why is everything falling? Definitely not going that way. Maybe I want to murder some things. Ah! Hey! Rude. Let's shoot. Yeah, let's shoot. There we go. Yeah. We are the all-powerful bounty hunter. I mean smuggler. There we go. Quick, go touch the terminal. There it is. Yeah. Quick, kill more things. Remember, murder is bad. Don't shoot me with your gun. I shoot you with my gun instead. Yeah. All I have to do is one headshot and you're down, boy. Sunshine, thingy, alien. Oh, you want to do this again, eh? Hehehe. Why aren't I getting the things to kill? I mean, that's a separatist vanguard, and it's not this thing, and I killed him. Hold on, I'm going back here. I want to get the 7,000 experience. That's what I call free experience, except for a little murder. Oi! Why is everyone dead? Shouldn't they have respawned by now? Whatever. Let's just continue on the quest. Job, mission, thing. Don't, yeah. Get a hat. I get some boots. And I get some gloves and experience thingy. Experience booster. But we've already got an experience booster on. That's why I'm so... the thing. Yay. Where are we going? We're gonna go get the... We're gonna go to here first. Alright. I'm pretty sure this is the pirate.
There. Better?
I wanted to do the sweeping gunfire, but it won't let. There we go. Yeah! Did it. Let's go talk to the pirate. Yo ho ho, and a bottle of bantha milk. Bantha milk, whatever it's called. I don't know what kind of alcohol is in Star Wars. It's rhodium. No English for us. What's up, dude?
Tuti pona manchi kabok nun ni slemo.
Don't talk. You're...
I'm beginning to think it might not be such a bad idea to kill you.
O wamawang kami tuske o wana tablota wijawa.
No, I'm not.
Karibo uta chubakratawan.
No, they won't. the game.
Wachineko, higadanoila, oka kiza spida per popa.
Yay.
You are nothing but a pirate turned snitch. You're in way more trouble than I am.
O wamawanka mituske o wana tablota wijawa.
I don't care.
Sugnanki he chalangtong ima chechu.
Yeah, fuck it.
You die right here and now.
He deserves to die. He's annoying. Oh no. It blew up. Rest in peace, scum. Bryce, if you're watching this, and it's not the pirate we like. Yeah. It's okay, Bryce. It's okay. He's a bad pirate. We're the good ones. Where to now? Oh, okay. We go that way. Oh, we got this is the last terminal. Wait, think you impress me? You don't? Yeah, you're dead now. How's it feel? Oh yeah, it doesn't feel like anything because you're dead. Yeah! Of course, so you didn't even do anything. What the hell? You slacker. Of course, he'll be slacking.
There. Better?
Right. Be nice. And they can live. Where's this terminal? It's just around the corner. Alrighty, fantastic. Hey, what's up, me? Oh. Blind him. Yeah. You ain't gonna get away from me in my terminal. Bad. Oh, he's already dead. Cool. Along with the green item. Hurrah. Now we go this way. Destroy the landing pads. I mean, landing pad anti-aircraft gun thingy. Die, you foul scum! See what happens when you actually aim your gun, you actually hit them. Quick, throw the grenade. I want it below the belt. Yeah, whatever. Ah. Dead now.
Better?
You're dead. Die. Die, you vile separatist bash. Alright. And they are down, and here comes the Republic. Alright. You're supposed to shoot him down, you bloody useless bastards. Good job, you did something with your lives. Now, if you excuse me, I'm gonna do something more important. Get my ship and guns back. Yeah, let's go. We need to go that way. Onwards to adventure. Why aren't you guys dead? Die, die, die. Yeah. Yeah. Haha, you're dead. Rest in peace is. Where do we go up there? Go up there. Quick, run! Run like the wind, bullseye! I feel like I'm running slow. Uno momento, uno momento. This one? No, this one. Abilities. And yeah, general. No. Where's the running thing? Sprint. I want it. Am I missing something, guys? No, I have it. I just don't know where it's at. Do I run automatically? I mean, doesn't. Oh, I am sprinting. Okay. Alright, whatever. Okay. I figured it out. We'll figure it out. It's okay. Alright, guys. I'm gonna end this episode off right here. Please like, subscribe if you enjoyed, and please come back for a new one. And thanks, and comment what's your favorite pizza, because pizza's good. Alright, I'll see you all later. Bye. Da da da. I'm streaming apparently. Oopsies. Oops, I live streamed instead. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.